Hello my crafty friends, it's Tiffany and I wanted to give you just the facts on the new paper cart. The new paper cart is a little bit taller than the previous paper carts, and that will allow you to put the tabletop piece on there. That's an added accessory. So what do you need to know about the dimensions? From the floor to the top, 32.5 inches tall, which is 81.5 centimeters. It is 18.5 widest across. So if you put the wheels out all the way across right here, 18.5. Same dimension from the outside of the wheel all the way across here, 18.5. That's how much space you're going to need, floor space, worst case scenario. Of course, if you turn your wheels in, that's going to take up less space, but I want to give you the biggest possible space that you're going to need. You get 2 shelves. Each shelf has 2 dividers. Simple bars like this, they slide in and out of the holes. That's going to keep your paper storage boxes or your paper handlers nice and neat and straight. The shelf space, the usable space, the inside of the space, 15.75 inches wide, which is 40 centimeters, 12 inches deep, which is 30.5 centimeters, and 13.5 inches tall, which is 35 centimeters in height. So there it is. Just the facts on our new paper cart. It does have 2 locking wheels and 2 all wheels rotate, 4-way spinners, 2 with locks on them. That's it. That's all you need to know about the latest and greatest from Totally Tiffany Paper Storage Cart 2021.